Now, therefore, the Board of County Commissioners of Thurston County, Washington, does resolve as follows. Section 1. There is hereby declared an emergency as defined in the Thurston County Comprehensive Emergency Management Plan, or PLAN, due to the worldwide and local outbreak of COVID-19, and for all reasons stated in the Governor's Proclamations 20-05, -06, and 07. Section 2. Pursuant to the emergency declared in Section 1, county departments and offices as designated pursuant to the plan are authorized to enter into contracts and incur obligations necessary to combat such emergency to protect the health and safety of persons, property, and the environment, and provide emergency assistance to the victims of such emergency consistent with the plan. Section 3. The Thurston County Manager is authorized to make and adjust human resource policies related to leave usage and other issues related to employees as necessitated by the impacts of COVID-19. And Section 4, pursuant to RCW 42.03.070, all meetings of the Board of Health and Board of County Commissioners relating to the COVID-19 emergency are not required to meet the notice requirements and meeting location restrictions of the Open Public Meetings Act. Section 5, the proclamation of a local emergency set forth as Section 1 shall terminate at midnight on the first Wednesday following the 30th day after the date the emergency resolution is adopted. This resolution shall become effective immediately. March 12th, 2020, and it's about 1:13 hours in the afternoon.
Now therefore be it resolved, the Thurston County Board of Health orders as follows. Number 1, within Thurston County, including all the cities and towns, gatherings of 250 people or more for social, spiritual, and recreational activities, including but not limited to community, civic, public, leisure, faith-based, or sporting events, parades, concerts, festivals, conventions, fundraisers, and similar activities are prohibited until midnight on March 31st, 2020, unless extended beyond that date. And number 2, within Thurston County, including all the cities and towns, gatherings with fewer than 250 attendees are prohibited unless event organizers take the following steps to minimize risk. A, older adults and individuals with underlying medical conditions that are at increased risk of serious COVID-19 are encouraged not to attend, including employees. B, social distancing recommendations must be met. For example, limiting contact for people within 6 feet from each other for 10 minutes or longer. C, employees must be screened for coronavirus symptoms each day and excluded if symptomatic. D, proper hand hygiene and sanitation must be readily available to all attendees and employees. And E, environmental cleaning guidelines from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, are followed. For example, clean and disinfect high-touch surfaces daily or more frequently. This resolution, if adopted, shall become effective immediately.